How's it going, everybody? This is Dr. Sean with Gallagher Performance, and what I'm going to demonstrate today is a sciatic nerve floss or sciatic nerve mobilization. And this is something I hand out to a lot of patients or even the clients and athletes that we work with who may be dealing with some hamstring tightness, low back pain, or sometimes they get pain into the hip, hamstring, possibly into the calf or foot, depending on severity. And so what we're going to demonstrate today is a great way to take tension off of the nervous system, because a lot of times the initial thought goes to disc and whether there's a disc specifically within the low back that is causing compression either on a nerve root that is reproducing symptoms down peripherally into the leg, but also because of the vast amount of anatomical structures surrounding our nerves and nerve roots. There's potentially some adverse tension being placed on them that can be solved through some simple mobilizations. And so what we're going to show you here today is a way to kind of hopefully self-treat that. I'll make the disclaimer that you should have some sort of consult or evaluation done by a licensed professional prior to initiating this if you're dealing with pain or radiculopathy, worsening symptoms down into the leg. But if we're going after just improving your range of motion, taking tension off the hamstrings, then this is something that could ultimately be of benefit to you. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into a nice tall position. You'd like to get on a platform that your leg is free to move. We're going to create a tall chest, so a nice extension through the spine. Keep our head back, as well as create flexion within the knee and the foot. So we'll keep the toes pointed away. From this position, we're going to simply extend the knee and then the toes. And we want a full range of motion in this position. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is our nervous system's attached from the brain through the spinal cord all the way down throughout our entire body. So essentially from head, in this case, to toe. What we're doing here is we're creating a fixed point and then movement at which we can floss that nerve through. We're creating a slacked position here and through our torso, and then extending the knee, pulling the toe. And then you just do a slow reversal of that. Flex the knee, flex the toes, extend the knee, toes, and then back. Likewise, we can do a reversal of that where we hold our knee and leg in a flexed position, and now we curl forward, and now our nervous system is being drawn towards the head. So we're getting movement in both directions with this. If I showed you from the side, it would look like here's nice tall position, look towards the ceiling, toes are pointed, knees flex, extend the knee, pull the toes, and then back. Keep your head tall. Likewise, if I was to reverse that, then you just simply curl forward and then extend back. Typically, this can be performed anywhere from 10 to 20 times per leg. It can be done as part of your warm-up. It can be part of your cool down post-exercise, as well as self-treatment spread throughout the day, multiple doses, possibly 2, 3, 4, 5 times a day, depending on what you find works best for you. Again, this is Dr. Sean with Gallagher Performance. Thanks for watching.